Good morning! Welcome to our third vlog. So for today's video, mga duta sa Springside Resort located at Fabrica, Libona, Bukidnon. And today is Saturday, March 11, 2023. As you can see guys, grabe kainit sa panahon. A very perfect weather para sa mga naiplano or gusto mga ligo. Nahunaw-naan na mo nga mga ligo because as a simple celebration of our achievement and award nga nakuha na mo gahapon sa amo ang schools. So I guess deserve na mo ni siya and dugay-dugay na sa dula mi ka ligog swimming pool. So let's go! Time check 10:20 AM.
Lately, I've been thinking I want you to be happier. I want you to be happier. When the morning comes and we see what we've become. In the cold light of day, we're a flame in the wind, not the fire that we begun. Every argument, every word we can't take back. Cause with all that has happened, I think that we both know the way that the story ends. Then only for a minute I want to change my mind, cause this just don't feel right to me. I wanna raise your spirits, I want to see you smile, but no, that means I'll have to leave. No, that means I'll have to leave. Lately, I've been thinking I want you to be happier. I want you to be happier. When the evening falls and I'm left there with my thoughts and the image of you being with someone else, well, it's eating me up inside. But we ran our course, we pretended we're okay. Now if we jump together, at least we can swim far away from the wreck we made. Then only for a minute I want to change my mind, cause this just don't feel right to me. I wanna raise your spirits, I want to see you smile, but no, that means I'll have to leave. No, that means I'll have to leave. Lately, I've been thinking I want you to be happier. I want you to be happier. So I'll go. I will go. So I'll go. I will go. Lately, I've been thinking I want you to be happier. I want you to be happier. Even though I might not like.
After 30 to 35 minutes of driving, nakaabot na gid mi dinhi sa Fabrica. Naata karon sa ilhang parking area, so ato sa ning i-parking ang motor. Exact 11 AM nakaabot mi dinhi. Medyo nadugayan mi kay namalit pa mi sa among pagkaon. It's a good decision gyud nga Sabado minanlaag dili kay daghan ang tao unlike kung Sunday. So naa sa ubos ilahang swimming pool, grabe ka pa ubos ilahang dalan panaog. So kung naamoy kauban nga mga bata and senior citizen, kailangan gyud alalayan.
Though I might not like this, I think that you'll be happier. I want you to be happier. Then only for a minute I want to change my mind, cause this just don't feel right to me. I wanna raise your spirits, I want to see you smile. No, that means I'll have to leave. No, that means I'll have to leave. Lately, I've been thinking I want you to.
Dinhi ang entrance, magbayad og 30 pesos nga entrance fee og ilahang cottages, price starts at 200 pesos. Ang among gikuha is katulang pinakabarato ang 200 pesos. Side sa more gini kaya sa mong budget, duha ra man sad mi, so dili na namo kailangan dako pa nga cottage. Napod sila dagko nga cottage kanang gusto mag-held og event. O ga pinakatsada dili ang view sa bukid gyud. Panguhit na gid ang tubig guys, lami nagig kay ilokso. Dulong na ta sa cottage and suroy sa takajot sa palibot.
Happier, I want you to be happier. So I'll go, I will go. Lately, I've been thinking, I want you to be happier. I want you to be happier. When the morning comes and we see what we've become. In the cold light of day, we're a flame in the wind, not the fire that we begun. Every argument, every word we can't take back. Cause with all that has happened, I think that we both know the way that the story ends.
Grabe ka worth it sa 200 pesos nga rent ani nga cottage kay maskin pulo mo kabuo kaigo kay mo dinhi. Sa likod sa mong cottage na adiri ang washing area, isad mo dinhi maglungag kaning naigatapok nga mga bato. Since alas 11 naman sad, so gigutom na among bitok nangaon na lang sa mi.
Then only for a minute, I want to change my mind, cause this just don't feel right to me. I wanna raise your spirit.
Tada! Excited na kami mga ligo, so mag-ilis kami sa mong outfit.
I want to see you smile. No, that means I'll have to leave. No, that
Hey, mga ligo ng mga kandingon. Hangol ra kog swimming pool guys, pero dili ko kabalog langoy. Naani sila tulo ka swimming pools, 2 feet. Second is 3 to 4 feet. And third is 5 feet. Kami karon sa 5 feet o wala nila nigipuno. And by the way, grabe ka bugnaw sa tubig.
means I'll have to leave. Lately, I've been thinking, I want you to be happier. I want you to be happier. When the evening falls and I'm left there with my thoughts, and the image of you being with someone else, well, it's eating me up inside. But we ran our course, we pretended we're okay. Now if we jump together, at least we can swim far away from the wreck we made. Then only for a minute, I want to change my mind, cause this just don't feel right to me. I wanna raise your spirits, I want to see you smile. No, that means I'll have to leave. No, that means I'll have to leave. Lately, I've been thinking, I want you to be happier. I want you to be happier. So I'll go. I will go. So I'll go. I will go. Lately, I've been thinking, I want you to be happier. I want you to.
And we always have that one friend na bida-bida.
Be happier. Even though I might not like this, I think that you'll be happier. I want you to be happier. Then only for a minute, I want to change my mind, cause this just don't feel right to me. I wanna raise your spirits, I want to see you smile. No, that means I'll have to leave.
Quarter to 12, namalik na pod mi sa cottage para mangaon na pod.
No, that means I'll have to leave. Lately, I've been thinking, I want you to be happier. I want you to be happier. So I'll go. I will go.
After na mo nagpapura og langoy-langot, adtuon nato ang treasure sa Fabrica. I'm so excited to see her again. By the way, kapila na mi sigig balik-balik sa Fabrica sugod pas junior high. Pag mga nimog Fabrica, ayaw gyud ninyo ni kalimtig visit. As always, she is very beautiful and very satisfying.
Lately, I've been thinking, I want you to be happier. I want you to be happier. When the morning comes and we
Please
see what
excuse my
we've
bloated
become.
tummy kay normal ra na sa ako ang hapit na menstruation.
Every argument, every word we can't take back. Cause with all that has happened, I think that we both know the way that the story ends. Then
Time check, 1:45 PM. Medyo gloomy na ang panahon. Aside sa napura na miglangoy-langoy, gipang tugnaw na sad mi. So maglibot-libot sa takadjot para mag-ilis na dayon mi. Wala ang 2 feet nga swimming pool pambata. Natay pato din para mo try kung unsa yun siya kalalom. Dinhi nga area, very nice, kadagan ka isda.
I want to change my mind, cause this just don't feel right to me. I wanna raise your spirits, I want to see you smile, but no, that means I'll have to leave. No, that means I'll have to leave.
Dinhi, makita ninyo ilahang tindahan o ilahang CR. Sa other side, napo dinhi ilahang dressing room o shower room. Tapad ani ang washing area o ang lutuanan. Dinhi na matapos sa mong vlog, it's time to go home. Thank you for watching and I hope you enjoy. Till next week, please do support us by following our page, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and share this video. Bye-bye!